Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. Today I'll make a very interesting dessert recipe, that is jelly fruit cake. So let's start the recipe. First I am taking 400 ml water. Now add 1/3 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon Agar Agar powder. Now mixing it well and turn on the heat. Boiling this agar mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, in a cake tin, I am pouring 1 layer of this agar mixture. Now arranging some fruits in the cake tin. You may use any fruit of your choice. Colorful fruits make this cake more attractive. On top of fruits, I am adding the remaining agar mixture. Keeping it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to set. Now in a pan, I am taking 200 ml mango juice and add 2 teaspoons Agar Agar powder. Mixing it well and turn on the heat. Boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am pouring the juice on the fruit layer. Do this very delicately, otherwise the bottom layer may get damaged. Keeping this 10 to 15 minutes to set, and after that freeze it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I am demolding the cake. Look how beautiful it is. Guys, hope you like this recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.